back in the old town of Hull, remodelling this kitchen today. Took out the old one. As usual, found all sorts of shenanigans going on, don't we, Tom? But just a little added bonus, that if you know about the Apple TV thing what's going on, but you can see here, we've got the Warner Brothers lighting systems and camera stuff in our yard. Steve McQueen's directing, so they've approached Tom to see if he can use his yard. So there's going to be a cherry picker in here as well, to do some night shots up high. But yeah, look at that, Warner Brothers lighting. Might take some. That one's still on actually. See a little screen on it. But yeah, so they're actually robbing some of Tom's electricity as well. But Apple are paying him big money. I won't want to say, but it runs into six figures. Yeah, is that rich? It's going into six figures. In rupees. So this is what we found behind the kitchen unit. So this is where the toilet is, in the bathroom behind that wall. It comes along here. But see if you can spot the deliberate mistake. So it's running along here, and then that's its way out. Yeah? See the cables there. Look at this. So this, from an upstairs toilet, runs down, runs across. Where's it going to go? It's going to go up here and back that way. So we need to try and see if we can solve something there. And then this is supposed to have a bung in the end, but it's just some sort of glued in plastic thing. Some of this pipe work down here is a bit ominous, but also it's been leaking. You can see the floor's wet. Right, decided. All this is coming out. All it's going to get reconfigured. It's just ridiculous, especially that having to go back against itself. Let's go off there. Right. No, it's down in the basement. There we go. So it's going to go back here, but we're going to take the waste across here and close to the corner there. Right, take this up, take this. I'm going to take out this stud wall because it's just bits of old door frame, mould growing on it. Take it around the other side. Okay. This is just like an old opening or something. It's just been boarded over. That's the majority of that wall out. Many years ago, this used to be a solicitor's office, so all this was broken down into individual offices. You know, you just like, oh, that was just the framework for whatever was there, the windows, and then boarded over. But before that, I mean, this goes back to the 1700s, this building. See about the brickwork in this. But yeah, so get the rest of this out. Right, so the wall built there. We've got the bottom board on, so we're going to get the top one on. You might be wondering why this is as wide as it is, because eventually this flat is going to be getting closed off there, and this is going to be another bedroom. So all that eventually get knocked out. So this frame is built ready, wide enough for the fire door to go in. Go on there. Because through there's one bedroom, kitchen's through there, And the bathroom's on the other side of there as well. So yeah, what we're going to do is get this board in there. I think I have to cut it down. Don't look quite right, but the ceiling's probably a funny shape, so go for it, see how we end up. There we have it. So I'm going to say we're not going to skim it today, it was just to get this flat secure. So we're just going to get it all cleaned up now. Right on, there's the stud wall getting built in front of all that drain pipe and wastage. Oh yeah, it'll look so much better instead of the mixed match of openings and old windows and bits of boxing. Yeah. Coming on, Tom, coming on.
Later.
So now we've got it skimmed between us. Big wall that. Big wall. And then we've done the washroom. Down here. That was a dividing wall to that bedroom. Took that wall out, what was there. Then we've got the other side in here done. There you go, that's good. So we'll wait for that to dry and get it painted. Yeah, cool. And we've got the fire door to go on this door. So job's a good one.